Hello, Savesouls family. Our community is facing a crisis of rising homelessness in the Massachusetts area, particularly affecting our immigrant Haitian brothers and sisters. Shelters are turning them away due to lack of funding to support newcomers, leaving families, including those with small children, out in the cold. The impact of our community is devastating. This is an urgent call to action. Savesouls is reinstating the mental health relief program to recruit Haitian Creole-speaking volunteers to support those in shelters. We need individuals who can assist with transportation for medical, immigration, or employment appointments, and those who can even open their homes to host families. If you're willing to volunteer your time, please fill out our volunteer form. If volunteering isn't possible for you, consider making a donation. Your funds will directly contribute to providing essential needs such as food, clothing, bus passes, and crucial mental health support. While we may not be able to help everyone, remember the Haitian proverb, "Main pile, chai palu." Many hands make the load lighter. Together, we are stronger. Thank you for your unwavering support. For more information, visit savesoulsinc.org.